and welcome back to an exciting update on the 3-bedroom house we are having done here in the Asebu Pan-African Village. I know it has been a while, but today we'll be delving into the roofing works, showcasing specifically the woodwork. I must say, we've accomplished great milestones with this building. Aside from the roofing, which has been completed, we've also had the plumbing works done, the electrical piping, fixing of the wooden frames, plastering of the walls, installing burglar proof, as well as installing all the security doors. This impressive 3-bedroom house spans a total area of 1,705 square feet, or approximately 158 square meters. The type of roofing design we chose is the hip type, which doesn't only offer elegance, but also aids rainwater runoff with ease. Let's talk about the materials we use for the roofing trusses. For the trusses, you can choose between two options, being it wood / timber or steel. For our project, we opted for wood because it was quite cheaper compared to the steel trusses. And the type of wood we used is locally known as dahuma, which is known for its exceptional durability and strength. This wood will ensure the long-lasting integrity of the roofing structure. The roofing woodwork involves various components such as beams, rafters, purlins, noggins, and fascial boards. Each component serves as a distinct purpose in the overall structure. The size of wood we used did range from 2x6 to 2x2 inches, with length of each wood typically between 14 to 16 feet. For this project, we acquired a total of 250 pieces of 2x6 wood. These were divided into 150 pieces of 2x4, 150 pieces of 2x3, and 180 pieces of 2x2. And then the remaining 2x6 was reserved for the beam support. We used the 2x6 wood as beam support, situated within the middle part of the woodwork. The 2x4 wood acted as the rafters, while the 2x3 wood served as purlins, placed horizontally on top of the rafters. Lastly, the 2x2 wood was used for ceiling joints and noggins, which provided diagonal support from rafters to beams. To ensure the stability of the roofing, 8 steel rods were employed to connect the wood to the building structure. These rods were nailed or tied from the woods to the building, passing under the lintel beams or through specifically made holes in some of the blocks. Before we used the woods, there was a need to treat them. We used dustpan, a chemical product that was mixed with water and applied to the woods to extend their lifespan. Additionally, wood primers were used to paint the fascial boards, enhancing their appearance and also providing protection. For this purpose, we acquired 2 gallons each of wood primers and turpentine, which was used to mix the primers. And then we also got along some rollers that was used for the application of the wood primers. The roofing phase, I must say, is a significant investment in a total building project. Now, the total cost of it was 58,000 cedis, and this covered the materials, transportation, and skilled workmanship. Now, 13,000 cedis was paid for workmanship, while the remaining 45,000 cedis accounted for materials, transportation, as well as project management cost. The roofing woodwork took a total of 2 weeks to complete. There were 3 carpenters who were working on it together. Now, that should be it for this video. I want you to stay tuned to another video where we'll be talking or showcasing the installation of the roofing sheets, bringing us one step closer to the completion of this magnificent home. So, like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this exciting construction project, and feel free to leave any questions or suggestions or comments in the comment section below. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.